Every order starts the same way, with a customer expectation: speed, accuracy, reliability. Well, let's take a trip to where cyberspace becomes reality. At Focus Camera, delivering on that expectation starts here, at our North Brunswick and New Jersey fulfillment center. Each week, we receive hundreds of pallets from leading brands and partners. Inventory is processed, verified, and strategically placed to ensure immediate availability and efficient flow. Using very narrow aisle racking and specialized equipment, we maximize storage density while maintaining accessibility, allowing us to move quickly, even at high volume. The moment an order is placed, our systems activate in real time. Pickers are guided by intelligent workflows and scanning technology, ensuring precise item selection and full inventory accuracy. This 80,000 square foot facility is built to operate at scale, supporting direct-to-customer and wholesale fulfillment across more than 15 marketplaces nationwide. Every moment is intentional, reducing errors, increasing speed, and maintaining consistency across thousands of orders daily. From the shelf to the packing station, each order is carefully prepared to meet both customer expectations and carrier requirements. Packages move seamlessly through conveyor systems where they are measured, weighed, and optimized using advanced dimensioning technology. Automation plays a critical role in our operation. Every shipment is dynamically routed, selecting the most efficient carrier based on cost, speed, and delivery promise. Sortation systems ensure each package reaches the right destination lane, supporting high volume throughput without compromising accuracy. In addition to direct fulfillment, we support large-scale marketplace distribution. With dedicated workflows for Amazon and Walmart, we ship full trailer loads weekly, fully prepped, labeled, and optimized for inbound compliance. For wholesale and bulk orders, our logistics team coordinates LTL freight shipments, ensuring efficient delivery for larger, more complex orders. Behind every system is a dedicated team working across receiving inventory, picking, packing, and shipping to keep operations running smoothly. From inbound pallets to outbound delivery, every step is designed for efficiency, scalability, and control. This is more than a warehouse. It's a fully optimized fulfillment operation built to support growth and deliver consistently at scale. Focus Camera. Capture more. Fast shipping, carefully packed, trusted by creators. At Focus Camera, you've got the vision, we've got the gear.